What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Aviators. We're not flying today. Well, we did fly today, but I just didn't take you with me. Today's like better. It's the coolest day ever because I got a new toy and it is cool. You want to see? Check it out. Have you ever seen anything so cool? What's cool about this is when I was 12 years old, I had one of these things. I mean, the exact same model. Everything. The other thing that's cool about this is it was actually made in 1972, the year I was born. It's got 39 miles on the odometer, all by me and Colby. So I found this guy that rebuilds these, and you know, he puts a new engine on them. He powder coats the frame. He you know, redoes all the wiring. I might take off the Bronco stickers. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments what you want me to do. But it runs perfect. It looks brand new. I'm crazy excited. So it's all automatic, just 3 gears. You just push the lever down and it takes you up through the gears, and it's just cool. Y'all want to go ride it? You do. Come on, say it. It puts a smile on your face. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Hear that horsepower? Heck yeah. I wonder if I can get arrested for this. For years, I've been doing it since I got this thing. It's just that loop. Yeah. The cool thing about this is this was actually built the year I was born, 1972. 45 years old. Sounds like a dream. Look at that little bad boy. And it's sweet. I'm actually running it on 100 low load. Runs pretty good. If you think about it, when these things were designed, they were probably designed for you know, leaded gas. So 100 low lead. Everybody says it's okay to run them on it. So I don't know, we'll see. You gotta admit, that's just sweet. Y'all ready for the best part? Check it out. It puts a smile on my face every single time I drive it. Anyways. Alright, well, that's today. Like, subscribe, comment. Till next time.